Okay, today I will show you how to show the data using Python. But before we do that, we must install several libraries like NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, and then Pandas. Okay, let's try. So I'm use a folder already here. I'm use this folder. Just click here in our directory, just type cmd and then press enter. Okay, perfect, like that. And then let's try type Python and then -m notebook. Okay, and then press or hit the button enter like this. So basically we call the Jupyter notebook from anywhere, so we just use the Python -m and then a notebook. Next is try to create a new file here. I just create new file sample data. And okay, next is we try to install the plugin first. Okay, but before we do that, let's try to open our command prompt here. Okay, I just click. Try to see the package what we have in here is like this. Pip list. Okay, this is our plugin, several plugin here. What we have to do is install our NumPy and then SciPy and Pandas and Matplotlib for showing the data. Okay, this. How do we do that? Try to type this pip install NumPy like this and press enter. Okay, already have here, so basically it's just showing like this. I already have because it takes time to install from the beginning. Okay, pip install SciPy and press the enter. Okay, like this. Okay, if we after we do that, let's try to import from here. I'm use the Pandas plugin library, import Pandas as PD. I just hold Control and press enter, or just click run here, I usually use shortcut here. Okay, see on this indicator here. Okay, it's like a blinking. Okay, and then hold Control, press enter, perfect, and shift enter to change a new line here. And I just want to import our file here, tab.csv. I just open it first here. Okay, and then I just close. Let's our sample. Okay, like this. Let's try type pd dot and press tab to suggest. It's like auto text on editor. Okay, read the data is read, because for our format is CSV. I just choose this CSV and then tab.csv, hold Control and press enter. Okay, perfect. And new line, I just type our sample here and hold Control and press enter. Okay, perfect. Here, let's see. Okay, this is our data. This is our data now. This is from CSV from outside. This is on Jupyter. Okay, next I will show you how to show one column. I mean just one column, this country. Okay, this country. So next, our sample, type our variable, and then our sample. Okay, let's try this. Okay, perfect, like that. This is our indices here. Okay, not a number, but our indices. Okay, start from 0, and then let's try showing two column. Save and press enter, and then print. I think our sample like this using array. Okay, and then area. I just want to show this country and the areas, and then hold the control and press enter. Perfect, like this. Okay, that's so simple. And next, we want to try to show with the different method. How about try to some data visualization using a graph or diagram like this. But before we do that, we must import our matplotlib here, and then pyplot here, import as plt, hold control and press enter here. Okay, see, this processing is like a blinking here. Okay, and then hold shift and press enter to change new line here. Next, I just want to create a new variable like year here, and then I just type 1993 and 1995 and 2001 here, 2005, like this. Don't forget to execute, hold control and press the enter. Okay, perfect. Shift enter for change new line, and price here, and then how about 1000, 1500, 3000 and 5000 and 4000 here. Don't forget to execute. No, let's try. plt dot. I just press tab button to choose the type, plot, and then year and price, and plt dot show like this. And let's try to hold control and press enter, or just click run. Okay, perfect. This is okay. What we have in here is, we know that on 1993 year, this is X and Y. 1993, the price is 1000, and 1995 the price is 1000 and 1500 here, and so on. Okay, so let's try another data visualization like this. I just type plt dot par and year and price, and plt dot show here, and hold control, press enter. Perfect. It's done. Basically, it's so simple. Okay, using the Python, and so fast. So that's it for today. I think it's enough. What we learned today is try to install several packages in our Python, like NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib before we can show the data. Okay, and then Don't forget to customize or modify the data to improve our knowledge about data visualization. So I think it's enough. So next tutorial I will create more complicated. Okay, thanks for watching.